Remember the 90s? Coding meant endless lines of code, a terminal that looked like it belonged in a sci-fi movie, and coffee that fueled marathons of debugging. Fast forward to today, and you've got no-code platforms like Bubble and Webflow that let anyone create apps without touching a line of code. It's like the difference between assembling IKEA furniture with a manual versus just dragging and dropping the pieces together. Back then, building software meant being a wizard in C++ or Java, and if you made a syntax error, you could lose hours of your life to a single misplaced semicolon. Now, you can whip up a fully functional website in under an hour using intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. Companies like Airtable are making it easier than ever for teams to manage data without needing a degree in computer science. This shift is not just about convenience, it's about empowerment. Anyone with an idea can now be a developer. But here's the kicker. Will the next generation of coders even know what a code review is? Or will they just be asking, "What's a bug?" while sipping their digital lattes? The future of software development is here, and it's user-friendly.